All right, this is Ubaid on behalf of Electronics, and in this video, we'll be using algebra to solve word problems. Okay, so this will be based off linear applications or linear equations. Okay, starting with question 47. Okay, so the question says a company wishes to purchase pens stamped with company logo. Okay, in addition to an initial setup fee of $90, each pen costs $1.35 to produce. Write a function that gives the cost in terms of the number of pens produced. Use the function to figure out the cost of producing 500 pens with the company logo stamped on it. Okay, so this has to do with advertising. Okay, hence advertising expense. Okay, on your T2125 if you live in Canada. Okay, so to figure this out, what you will first need to do is figure out the equation. Okay, so we know that the base fee or initial fee is $90. Okay, the variable is X, which has to do with number of pens. Okay, and the price, okay, of each pen is $1.35 to produce or manufacture. So when we write this in an equation format, okay, basically we're trying to figure out the cost, the overall cost, which covers the base fee as well as the variable cost. Okay, so the fixed cost and the variable cost. The fixed cost we know is $90 over here, the initial setup fee. Okay, equals $90 plus this will be 1.35. Okay, so 1.35 into X. All right, so we know that C equals 90 plus 1.35 into X. Now X will be total number of pens, which is 500. So they want to figure out the price of 500 pens, of manufacturing or supplying or making 500 pens. Okay, so C equals 1.35 into 500. So we do the math over here, which will be 675. So 90 plus 675. Okay, so C equals plus 90. This will be 765. All right, so $765. This will be your cost price. Okay, next. Okay, you want to figure out, okay, if this solution is correct. Okay, to verify the solution, to verify the answer over here at the bottom, what you will need to do is divide, okay, 675, okay, by the cost price. Okay, so we know, okay, that total number of pens is 500. Okay, now 675 take away, okay, or 765 rather, take away 90 will give you 675. So we have to factor out, you have to remove the initial fee to figure out the total number of pens. Okay, so 765 take away 90. This will be 675. So 675, this is the figure that you will use. Okay, divide by, okay, the cost of one pen. So we know that one pen will cost 1.35. Okay, it's 1.35x. All right, so 675 divided by 1.35 will be 500. Okay, so we know that total number of pens is 500, which matches the total number of pens in our question over here. Okay, so further down, let's look at another example. A rental car company charges a daily rate of $42 plus 51 cents per mile driven. Okay, so $42 This is for a rental car company. Okay, a daily rate of $42, $42 plus 51 cents. So 0.51, 51 cents. Okay, per mile driven. Write a function that gives the cost of renting the car for a day in terms of number of miles driven. Okay, so now you're supposed to write that function. Okay, so we know that function of x equals 42 plus 51 cents, 51 cents into x. So we know that this will be 42 plus 51 into 76 miles because this person will be driving 76 miles. He will be renting out the vehicle for a day. Okay, so we know that this will be 0.51 into 76, okay, plus 42. So we know that function of x or y, which will be your total cost price, this will be 51 cents into 76 plus 42 for the day, which comes around $80.76. Okay, so your y will be $80.76. Okay, and this will be your cost price. So this is how much this person will pay every day if he drives 76 miles. Okay, so moving further down, let's look at another example. A certain cell phone company charges $16 per month and 15 cents per minute of usage. Okay, write a function that gives the cost of the phone per month based on the number of minutes of usage. Use the function to figure out the number of minutes of usage if the bill for the first month was $46. Okay, so we know that $16 per month is your cell phone charges. Okay, so $16 per month, okay, is what you pay for your cell phone charges. Okay, so we know that $16 per month is your base fee for your cell phone plan. And on top of that, you get charged 15 cents per minute of usage. Okay, so we know that C, or cost, this is how much you pay for your cell phone plan, which you can claim on your T2125, again, if you live in Canada. Okay, under other expenses, okay, or telephone expenses. Okay, so cell phone plan, this will be $16 plus, okay, 15 cents or 15 cents per minute. Okay, so this will be 0.15 into x. So cost is 16 plus 0.15 into x, and x, we don't know what x is. We don't know, okay, how many minutes this person used up as part of his plan. Okay, so we don't know what x is. But we know what cost is. We know the overall price that he paid for his cell phone plan, which is $46 in the first month. So we know that 46 equals 16 plus 0.15x. So we know that 46 take away 16, okay, divide by 0.15 will be 200 minutes. So we know that x equals 200 minutes. Okay, and again, you can verify this answer, okay, using the same method that we used for the first question. Okay, so this is basically how you use, okay, algebra or linear equations to solve for word problems, okay, in practical life. On behalf of V Electronics, this is Obaid. Have yourself a great day.